Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you Web Graphic Designing course. Graphic design, also known as communication design, is the art and practice of planning and projecting ideas and experiences with visual and textual content. This course is focused on both theoretical and practical parts. The aim of the course is to develop design sense in trainees by the help of theoretical concepts and practice. Benefits of Web Graphic Designing course. Turning your passion into your profession. Many people used to like drawing and creative stuff in their childhood. Personal branding, improve communication skills, personal development, get paid for being a creative designer. Is graphic and web design a good career? Web design is a highly competitive field with plenty of room for career growth. With the right combination of skills, experience, and portfolio projects, you can quickly rise up the ranks and become a sought-after designer. Plus, specialized skills like UX/UI design open up even more opportunities. Admission open. For registration, call us on 92-321-505-6755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at info@iitpakistan.com.pk. Make sure to subscribe us on YouTube and follow our Facebook page for more details about other qualifications.